Hi, I'm Gautam Raghav from Informatica GCS, and in this video we will be going through the enhancements to the Google BigQuery Catalog Source delivered through the CDGC November release. Through the November release, users will now be able to extract metadata from multiple BigQuery projects by specifying the projects through the filter options in the Catalog Source configuration. So, in the metadata command center, under the configuration page and under the filters property, you could now provide the include metadata or exclude metadata filters, and to include different projects, you provide the project name as a filter over here. So the filter is going to be in the format of project name dot dataset dot table or schema or view or store procedures depending upon your requirement. So in this scenario, IPS Cloud Eco Enablement is a BigQuery project and GCS GCP is another BigQuery project. And by providing these two projects under the filter conditions, we would now be able to extract the metadata from both of these projects. Through the November release, users can now also extract metadata from stored procedures and SQL user-defined functions. You could enable this as a filtered metadata command center, where you could include metadata and only extract stored procedures from a particular dataset. Or if you select all, and if there is a stored procedure under the filtered dataset, metadata from the stored procedure would be extracted by the CDGC scanner. So the stored procedure would be extracted and then analyzed and then displayed in the following manner. The procedure instance would contain the call to the stored procedure. The procedure definition actually contains the definition of the stored procedure call, and when selected and you could look at the code tab to see the complete stored procedure definition. You can now filter metadata on specific criteria such as tables, views, and stored procedures instead of a generic schema level filter. Prior to the November release, the filter options for Google BigQuery Catalog Source was only of the type of schema. By that, I mean that the metadata can be only included at the schema level, and there were no particular filters for a table data type or a schema type. Starting from November release, you would now be able to select the filter options individually, whether you want the tables alone to be extracted or views or stored procedures. From the November release, CDGC now supports profiling of BigQuery views as well. Here, I've selected a view and filtered it for profiling, and once you get into the catalog, you can now see the profiling data over here for each individual column of the selected view. For further reference, kindly refer to the official Informatica documentation on CDGC Catalog Source configuration for Google BigQuery, and as also the November release notes that are shared over here. We would love to hear more from you. Please reach us on supportvideos@informatica.com or leave us a tweet at twitter.com/infosupport. Thank you.